We've been well fed this week.
I know.
And it's about
delicious.
to continue. All this week, we're helping you spice up your lunch by throwing out those boring bologna sandwiches.
And there's nothing boring about this recipe. We've got the World Wine Guys here with us, Mike DeSimone and Jeff Jensen, here to make a pasta salad that's easy as pie, you say.
Yes,
Good to see you.
Thank you. We're very happy to be here.
You know, I did make that frozen yogurt, you guys.
Pistachio. How'd that come out?
Wonderful.
Come out?
Really good. Really,
Glad to hear that.
Always
That's
good
great.
ideas, and they're easy, so we can try this one.
Right.
This
at
one
home.
is actually probably the easiest recipe in the book. It's a penne with prosciutto and peas, and it's done warm. We just drained the pasta, so we're just going to add some ingredients, toss it together, and put it in some containers to take to lunch for tomorrow.
I know, look at you set it all up.
Yeah,
for
we
us.
set everything up.
Thank you.
Okay,
All right.
let's go. All right.
All right, so we drain this pasta. So let's add a little bit of olive oil to
Okay,
this.
I'll do that.
So it's just a ziti, or you can use any kind of
Yeah,
pasta.
this is actually, this is penne. Okay,
we use a
there
penne.
we go.
You could use a ziti. You can use, you know,
Those
macaroni.
twisty ones.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
rotinis, yeah.
The beauty of this is that you actually make it right in this pot. You make the pasta in the pot, you drain the pot, put the pasta back in, and then we just add our ingredients.
Okay,
so
we're
And actually,
you dirty one
pot's still
pot.
warm.
Oh, I know, that's a good thing.
So let's start with the prosciutto, which is much better than bologna, I believe. There we
Bologna's
go.
really taking the hits this week.
More bologna.
Hey, I grew up on bologna.
Me too.
That's right. I think bologna needs a better PR agent.
Exactly.
I used to trade my bologna sandwiches for peanut butter and jelly.
Listen, you know what? We're all there, yeah.
Okay, we'll take the peas.
Okay.
See
So we
how
have
easy this is?
Yeah, this is totally simple. This is frozen peas. You know, you just thaw
You just
them
drain
for
them. You put them in a
couple
colander
minutes,
in the sink, let the extra water come off.
There is a big dish of cheese.
There's a
there,
big
I
dish
will
of
say.
cheese. That's right. A little locatelli never hurt anybody.
All right, here we go.
So
How
we
about a
can do
lot
that.
of locatelli?
There we
Let's
go.
go for it.
All right.
Locatelli.
Stir that in.
I don't think I've heard of locatelli.
It's a Romano cheese. It's like a pecorino.
Oh, okay.
So locatelli is actually, I think it's a village in Italy or a brand
I think you
name.
made.
Or
I
is
think
it
you
a
made.
brand
I think you
name?
made that up. I think it's a brand name.
Well, I'm going to go there.
Okay, a little pepper and.
You know the village of
Little salt.
Locatelli.
Yeah, hey, you know what? If they've
There
got
you
this
go.
cheese, we are there.
Okay, so look at that. That is done.
So this is done. This
Just
is
like
easy.
that. Okay, but we brought some for you guys.
That's fantastic. I can't wait to
Packed it. It's all packed
Did you make
into
enough for everyone?
We
here?
did make enough for everyone. So,
Done.
okay, and we also have this little salad
Yeah, I
as
wanted to
well.
ask you how you're doing with the
Okay,
salad.
what we did with the salad was we put the dressing in the bottom of the
the dressing's in
container.
the bottom.
So this way what you do is your salad doesn't get all wet, you turn it upside down,
You know, that's such a good
and you
idea.
shake it.
Right, put the salad on the
here's
bottom.
your
It gets
salad.
soggy.
That's right, and now we have
Could you get Alex a
freshly
fork,
dressed
please?
salad.
Yes, here's a
I
fork
will.
for you, Alex. And I really hope there's dessert in our little lunch bag. Look forward to it for
That's a
later.
little treat for
There we
later.
go.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hand over the
Hey,
pasta.
I didn't get one.
All right,
What's
sorry
going
about
on
that.
here? Wow.
You guys are good.
What a great idea.
Thank you so much.
So this is nice and easy, right? And it's simple.
And for today's recipe, you can go over to our website at cbsnewyork.com.
Lisa, we got one for you, too.
Yeah, Lisa.
So we actually brought one for you today. Okay, there you go.
Hey, thank you.
They really know how to eat in locatelli.
Yeah, that's a great little village. You have to go there.
Italians. Well, this is better than bologna. Okay, you know what? I hope you packed your lunch and you've got a little extra time to factor into the fog out there right now. Seeing more rain fill in the city, Westchester, the Bronx, and into more Bergen County. So get ready for it. A wet and foggy way to start the day. Some thunderstorms, too. A nice break Friday, and then far cooler for your Sunday. We'll warm the cheese up.
All right.
It is cheesy and good, yeah.
We got some problems on Long Island to talk about.
Yes, and we also have problems as well. We're going to begin in Queens first, though. An ongoing police investigation still causing major problems on the Grand Central Parkway eastbound. This is at 94th Street. Delays stretch back to the BQE. So if, in fact, you were traveling in this direction, police are trying to reroute traffic a little bit. You can see it happening there in the center of your screen, still causing major issues. On the Whitestone Bridge, there's an accident mid-span on the Bronx side, causing delays that stretch back to 3rd Avenue. And as Rob mentioned, on Long Island, traffic has since been cleared, that accident that you were referring to. Checking to the Hudson River crossings, 10-minute delays across the board, alternate sides in effect citywide.
All right, Alex, thanks so much. And gentlemen, thank you. Great to
Thank
see you, as
you.
always.
Thrilled to be
Planning to vote for Obama or Romney? One airline wants to offer you a deal if your guy loses. We'll explain next.
I got it.